As I have mentioned in our introduction video, we're not going to do any X scripting inside of a keyframe. Instead, we are going to go object oriented. This means that we're just going to create classes and store all the action script inside of our custom made classes. So what's the best way to learn how to work with classes? Just create one. So just try to follow me here. Create a new Actionscript 3.0 project, and right after you create it, Ctrl S to save it, and give this a name of main. And after you save it, go to File, New, and select Actionscript file. Click OK, and you can see it create a new Actionscript file for me here. And what I need to do now is save this one as well. Ctrl S, and I'm going to give this the same name as I gave to my FLA file, main. So now that we have our class file and our FLA file, we're going to write our class code. You won't understand much of this, but you need to follow. Just do as I do. Package, open and close curly braces, make some space there. Now write class, public class main. Make sure to give it the same name as you gave to the file you saved. In my case, I said main.as. You can see the same name in here. It has to be the same in order for your class to work, so make sure that's the same. And then just say extends movie clip. Now why we are putting this there is really not important for now. We will get into that later. Enter, open and close curly braces, and make some space there, and write public function main. And again, you're giving it the same name. It has to be the same. Open and close braces, not curly braces. Enter, open and close curly braces, and make some space there. Now basically you have a class here. Just make sure you save it again, Ctrl S. So this is a basic class, but we need to add a few more things to it. Mainly the imports. So just write with me here. Import space flash dot display dot star semicolon, and one more line. Import flash dot events dot oops, I spelled events wrong, dot star semicolon. Ctrl S to save it again, and we basically have a class now. So what we need to do now is connect this class to our FLA file. So we go back to our FLA file, and after we have clicked the gray area here, go to Properties panel and select this box right here, and write in here the name of your class, and that's in my case main. And if I write this name correctly and press this icon right here, it will open up my class file that I connected. So this will work now. If I type a trace statement in here, so let's say I want to trace class is running, and make sure you save your class before you run it, or else the changes won't be applied to it and you won't see anything new. So Ctrl S to save it and Ctrl Enter to test it. And as you can see, my class is running correctly, and you have to have this in order to continue with our tutorials, because we are going to do everything inside of this class for now. Just the basic training. In our next tutorial we will go over the variables in programming, and we'll just see where we get with that. So good luck with this, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.